Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best outdoor first aid kit waterproof case on the market, the Surviveware 98-piece waterproof premium first aid and survival kit. Whether you're a camper, hiker, backpacker, or just love being prepared, this kit is designed to have your back in any emergency. Right out of the box, this kit makes a strong impression. It weighs only 1.25 pounds and measures 8 by 6 by 3.5 inches, making it compact enough to strap onto your backpack, tuck into a car trunk, or slide into a kayak hatch. The case itself is made from 600 DTPU, a rugged, high-durability material that's tough enough for outdoor use and soft enough to handle without hassle. One of its standout features is full waterproofing. We're talking IPX7 rating. That means you can fully submerge this kit in water up to 1 meter deep for 30 minutes, and the contents will stay completely dry. Whether you're caught in a thunderstorm, crossing a river, or dealing with rough seas, you don't have to worry about water damage. And yes, it's mold compatible. The mounting system is ideal for tactical users, search and rescue teams, or even scouts. You can attach it to vests, belts, or bags with ease. It becomes an extension of your gear, not just something tossed in the bottom of a bag. But let's talk about what's inside. You get 98 essential first aid components, from bandages, antiseptic wipes, and trauma shears to a removable CPR mask. Every section is clearly labeled and compartmentalized, so even if you're under pressure, you won't be rummaging around blindly. Speed matters in emergencies. The labeled system makes grabbing the right item intuitive. No stress, no guesswork. There's even room to personalize the kit with your own additions thanks to extra internal sleeves. And for those not medically trained, it includes a clear, easy-to-follow first aid guide. It's there to help you make the right decisions, fast. Whether you're dealing with cuts, scrapes, burns, or minor trauma, you'll have instructions at hand. Versatility is where this kit shines. It's suitable for camping trips, long-distance hikes, backcountry adventures, road trips, and even dorm rooms. Wherever life takes you, this compact red case brings serious peace of mind. It's registered as an FDA medical device, and yes, it's eligible under FSA and HSA plans. That means you can potentially buy it with your healthcare spending accounts. Practical and smart, Surviveware didn't cut corners. They built this kit by adventurers for adventurers. It's rugged, organized, and thoughtfully designed. If you're serious about outdoor preparedness, this is the first aid kit you should be carrying. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more gear breakdowns, and as always, stay safe, stay prepared.